So as you can see, big parking lot, sunset. It's a great shot of the sunset over not the most impressive part of town, but still, it's pretty awesome. So we're gonna go check out wear some walking shoes here. So that was really no big whoop. Again, lots of parking. There's the church. I don't know how it looks on the camera. But we're trying to catch the sunset. It is a very warm night. We're talking it was 100 degrees today. Now they're putting like $1 billion into this thing. They're putting an observatory. I don't know if you can see that sign there. On the dome, at the very top of the dome, in the steeple. That's how big it is. You could do that. See, we got more stairs here. This is just because I parked. I could have parked here, but to get here, you have to go to the front. It's no big whoop, really, but I don't know, creature of habit. So the stairs up to the church, they've been working on for years. And I think they might be done. Sunset. Oh, I love it when the airplanes go through the sun. I got my camera also. It's gonna go right through. Did I get it? I just hit the zoom there. Okay. So, here we are. This is lookout to number 1, St. Joseph's Oratory. Okay, people come, they flock here. Let's take a look. Whoa, wow, drone. Droney. And look at the gang. Do you see them? See all the people? There's the art. There it is. And look at the crowd. Oh, I got a drone. Yeah. That's a drone. Why not? Excuse me. Oh, wow. So, this is the new stairs. This has all been redone. Wow, it looks great. It was a giant mess for a long time. Look at the peeps. Look at the peeps. Okay, as you can see, it's a thing. Looks like we're gonna get ripped off here. Wow. Look at all the peeps. There you go. Look at the people, huh? This is the church. There's the steeple. There's the stairs. There's the people. Okay. The sun. We're losing Oops, we're not getting much of a sunset. Oh, it's too bad. Oh, look at it. Normally when we come here, my daughter climbs right up on these things. As an old guy. Everybody give it up, huh? Sunset, everybody. Just made it. Wow. So, this is the thing to do. Bring some food, bring a beer, whatever. It's kind of windy. And, wow. Hey, bring a drone. Wow, we just made it. Didn't have a chance to take out. I'll have to try again. Anyway. This is here. I left it a little late today. Here we are. Right in front of the church, on top of the steps. It's quite a church. It's often open. Not tonight, but definitely worth the stop. St. Joseph's Oratory. There we go. So you have to hit the screen so it refocuses. Oh, the sun's coming back. Look at that, huh? It's not done yet. I better take a photo. Come here. Okay. The sun is making an appearance. It's coming through the clouds. We're just going to watch it. Why not? All kinds of stuff going on. Oops. Montreal. There's so many places to hang out and check out. And this is just another one of them. I almost missed it. I got here in time. Barely. I haven't been here for a year or so. And their $1 billion plan here is slowly coming to fruition. See, if you're from here, you know this front area where the stairs are. It's totally dug up. You couldn't use the stairs for like 5 years. Easy. Part of the plan was to rebuild it and blah, blah, blah. Check it out. It's all redone. It's looking great. This was a big project. Goes that way, all the way. Look at all the stones. All the way there. So all that's great. Totally been redone. Took them long enough, but wow. That looks like it's built to last. Now the people who park down there, I don't know if they know, you can drive all the way up here. Plenty of spots for everybody, and it's free. And they're not going to tell you that down there. So if you're driving here, go to the top, unless you want to walk on your knees up the stairs or whatever. All right, let's carry on. So yes, this is a famous monument dedicated to anybody that's had to ride the Montreal subway or bus network. This is what you'll feel like right here. Packed in like sardines is what this is called. Very apropos. Packed in like sardines. That's what I'm calling this. The STM monument. If you know, you know. And let's take a look what's going on over here. Oh, well, they've even redone this. They've even redone it over here. Okay, well, they're doing pretty good. Another 100 years and it'll be finished. They're putting, believe it or not, on top of the dome, an observatory. Like, I don't know, St. Mark's or St. Paul's or St. whatever cathedral in London, where you walk up the dome to the top. St. James, I think. My daughter was just there. My sister couldn't make it, but my daughter made it. That's what they're doing right here. You can already see there's windows. Can you see there's windows up there? And it's going to be an observatory. And there's going to be a roller coaster on the outside of the dome, like in Las Vegas. I'm just kidding. But don't put it past them. Okay, so this is all. There we go. We got the dome. See? Right there. So it's quite a world here. This church, you get your money's worth because it's free. And there's a lot to see. It's so big. Can I get in here? No, huh? Okay, well, it's too bad there's a sculpture I wanted to check out. Do I have to walk down these steps? All right. Do I have to do it? Steps, the worst. Look how many of them, millions. Where am I going? Why? Okay, this is ridiculous. I will have to walk up these steps. All right, St. Joseph's Oratory. Checking it out, hot summer night. Humid. I don't know why I'm going to check out, they have a new piece of art. Sculpture or whatever. A red rope. Don't walk this way. Okay. I've never been down here. Why would I? Park up there. Okay. Wow. Definitely not walking all the way down. But yeah. There we are. St. Joseph's Oratory, everybody. Big place. People flock here. Okay. Am I getting closer? I made the mistake of spying a new piece of art. And now I'm trying to get close to it. Beautiful night. Hi there. Can you get to the sculpture up there?
I don't think so.
No, there's like a new piece of art or something.
You mean the garden which is
No,
full
that.
of the sculpture?
Yeah, there's one right there. There's, something.
There's a way I don't know.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe you were there. Thanks. Okay. I'm gonna have to. This is the bell tower. Impressive. Not bad at all. More stairs. See, this is what getting this camera does. We'll know in a second. Nope. Can't get there. This guy found a place to hang out. Very nice. There it is. Well, I suppose I could move. I suppose, see, there's fencing all around. I just wanted to check that thing out. Looks like part of it's polished. This is all new here. Very nice. And so I could squeeze in there, but they obviously don't want me there, and it's very embarrassing getting beaten up by nuns and stuff. Okay, well, we'll get up there sometime. Yeah. Okay. That's kind of cool, huh? Not too shabby. I have a long walk now to get back to the car. Ouch. Well, the light is actually pretty cool. Okay, beautiful night. Wanted to check out the sculpture. Not happening. Okay, but I also wanted to check out on the progress of the construction, and it's coming along. I got a lot of stuff here. Like I said, it could have started 10 years ago. I forget. We'll check the timeline on a computer. But eventually, like I said, there's going to be, you can climb around the top of the dome. Check it out. Go to your old computing machine and check it out. It's pretty, it's really quite a world here. Should I continue on this way? Am I making a big mistake? So if you don't know, you park down there and walk up the steps. If you do know, you can drive all the way to the top, and there's parking. And look at the rocks. So I guess the rocks that they dug up to build the new stairs and whatnot, they're like, hey, let's incorporate them in the design. Very clever. Edley. Okay. Yeah, they're all over. This is shipping and receiving. Okay. I'm hoping I could walk up this road. Oh. And get up to where I parked. I might have to spend the night at the oratory. Oh. Okay. Now what if I go this way? No bikes. Walking through the woods. Oh, steep. Very steep. That's why they don't want bikes. And I've got a heavy knapsack. And I'm old. Yikes. What do I do for you people? Wow. Nice. Huh. Ah. Okay. So there it is. And there it is. Okay, what do you think that looks like? It's a bunch of knots. I'm gonna call it the Pope's intestines after eating at Olive Garden. That's what I'm calling this one. Okay. Well, I'm sure once they open it up, we'll find out. And then I was hoping to see a giant orb. Must be cameras. But I wanted to see the little church here. Little churchette. Wow. See, you go out with your camera, you will get a workout. See, cute little church. Very steep hill. Oh. Okay, by reward, I don't have to walk up the steps. I think. That's okay. Little church. Little church, everybody. Whoops. Take a picture. And so, as I pointed out, I always park. I kind of park right up here. On Creature of Habit. And I like parking right on the side of the road at Westmont here. And they seem to let you do it. This is Devon Avenue. So if you want to cruise around Westmont looking at all the nice houses and then visit the Oratory, put Devon Avenue and you'll see this little road here, walking path. You'll see the church, so you're going to know you're close. And just park here. And just walk in, no big whoop. Okay, so that's it, 23rd of June. Stepping out, 514, St. Joseph's Oratory. And we're going to sign out. Immediately look at the car, no tickets, still there, all good. Over.